What's going on, guys? Brian here, and today we're going to talk a little bit more about arbitrage and how you can make an extra $1,000 a month through other avenues that aren't Amazon. Now, Amazon arbitrage is the best form of arbitrage in my opinion with the coupon sites for a lot of reasons, because A, you're not playing guessing games. So if you're buying product X, which we're going to talk about here in a second, and you're listing it on eBay, that's phenomenal. You can use all the SEO tactics in the world. You can use all the best implementation tactics to get your product eyes on it. But you're still at the end of the day playing guessing games. So yeah, you can check out the sold items and the completed listings and see what they've sold for. But at the end of the day, there's no way to measure the sales velocity. And what you can't measure, you can't track, you can't prove. So I'm not putting any down any of those platforms. We're gonna talk about a lot of different platforms today and how you can make an extra $1,000 a month through those platforms. But I also want to touch back on arbitrage. Now, we are filming in a different location. I'm in my parents' basement here. I come here every single morning to work out. So what I basically do is I get all my packages shipped here. I have all my e-com stuff shipped here, and I'll start dropping pictures a little bit on the screen of some of the things so you can check them out if you want. Some of the other e-commerce things here that I have and how I make extra money that isn't Amazon arbitrage. Now, like I said, I come here to work out, but my parents have a big house and a big basement, so I keep all my stuff here because I do live in an apartment with my girlfriend, and it just wouldn't be right to kind of get 15, 20 deliveries to my apartment a day when I'm doing Amazon arbitrage. So if you understand that, you'll understand what I mean. So it's really, really easy. Now, for those people that do live in an apartment or they can't get packages delivered to them, this business model, the Amazon coupon arbitrage, can still work for you. And the way that you can basically do that is there's multiple ways. A, you can get it shipped to somebody else's house like I'm doing right here that or maybe it's a family member. Or B, Amazon actually has Amazon, little Amazon boxes now where you can get them shipped. So when you actually are in Amazon and you order the product to your house, what you're gonna do then is you're not gonna order the product to your house, you're actually gonna have it shipped to one of the Amazon lockers. And then you can get it shipped to, I believe there's tens of thousands of Amazon lockers all over now, and you can basically choose the one closest to you, have all your products shipped there, and then go pick it up within 2 days. So maybe you're getting 50 boxes, maybe you're getting 20, depending on how many you're ordering, and get it all shipped to the Amazon locker where you can go pick it up 100% free. So that's another great avenue that you can get products shipped to if you actually don't have a place to get them shipped to. I know that's an issue for a lot of people. But today's actually a question that I got, can I go through and demonstrate, how to actually ship a package out, with the US Post Office. So I do this for a lot of different reasons. Obviously, when I'm doing Amazon arbitrage, like my course entails, like the last, many videos that I've touched on entails, I get those products shipped to my house, then I ship them into FBA. So I don't actually fulfill any of those orders. However, if you'll see here, and I have a bunch of pictures of these. So I get other items that I do this with, and sometimes you'll notice that when you do it as much as me and you're shipping 1,000 products in, weekly, stuff like that, you're getting high numbers, high sales, high, income, obviously, you're gonna run into some problems where, you have defective items. So what basically is a defective item in Amazon's eyes is, the customer returns it for whatever reason, and if this is something I actually teach in my course as well, if maybe you return it as, product open, or maybe you return it as inaccurate website description, what Amazon FBA will do is they'll relist it in your unlisted inventory online so that you can't resell it and it becomes defective. Now, that product is not necessarily defective, but they just list it as defective. So you can't relist it, so you have to get it returned to you, or you have to have Amazon destroy it. So what I do is I reorder all those defective items, and I have a shitload here, back to my house, and I'll kind of inspect them, and 99.9% of them aren't actually defective. They're just Amazon items that Amazon has determined to be defective. So what I'll do is I'll relist them on other platforms like Mercari, like eBay, like OfferUp, like Letgo, like Poshmark, and that's how I make the extra $1,000 a month on top of the 5 to 10K a month with Amazon arbitrage. So Amazon arbitrage is where the real money's at, and for all of you that want to hop in my course before I actually show you how to ship out and the other platforms and how you can do it and the ease of it, for anybody that actually wants to enroll in Online Arbitrage Pro, I'll drop a link in the description. That'll be the first link in the description for anybody that wants to get in. And also for the other people, while I'm showing you this, I'm gonna drop some pictures on the screen. I see in the comments those people that are literally like, guys, he doesn't do this, he doesn't actually do this, he doesn't make money doing this arbitrage, he just teaches you how to do the arbitrage and sells his courses, and that's how he makes money. Really? I do this a lot. You know, I'll drop the pictures up on the screen right now. Boxes over there, other stuff right here. I do this a lot. I do it all the time. I do it every single day. And yes, there's obviously the monetary gain there of me selling the course, but it's great information, and full disclosure, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee on the course. So if you don't like it, you're not making money with it, which if you're taking action, you know, you definitely should be, you can just return the course 100% free, no questions asked, obviously within the first 30 days. And there's also make the $295 back of the purchase price within the 30 days. So if you don't make that back, you can also return it, no questions asked. Not trying to take anyone's money. Obviously there is the monetary gain for me, not trying to deny that, but I've been so transparent with my sales videos and my copywriting videos and everything that I preach on this channel. You know, if you feel like you have a great product to bring to the marketplace that can add value and make them money, then it is your duty. And that's how I feel. It is my duty to bring this product to you guys, because I know that if you take the action on the stuff that's in the course, you can make the money that I'm making. And that's just not me saying that. I have tens of thousands of students that have all taken the course and reviewed it. And I'll also throw reviews up on the screen right now as I'm talking. And they've all, you know, shown that they can make money with it. So it's not just me saying that. I just wanted to touch on that, because if it's not for you, that's totally fine. But don't discourage other people in the comments from taking action just because you have, you know, some limiting beliefs. There's a lot of money to be made, and, you know, honestly, there's no excuses other than, you know, you just don't take the action. So with that being said, let's jump in. Now today, literally, I did get a Poshmark order, so I know that the person that dropped the comment wanted me to show me fulfilling a US post office, which we're actually gonna do still. But this is a Poshmark order with priority mail, if you can see that. Sorry if I'm not looking at the camera too. I'm in a weird location, so I do have my camera front facing. But basically what I do, it's the same with Poshmark. You put it in a priority mail envelope, which they come in a variety of different sizes. I'm sure you've seen that on the actual, on the video, because they drop those pictures. And then you simply print out the label right from your email and you tape it to it, drop it in one of those blue post office bins, or you can walk into the post office and simply hand it to them. These are 100% free. All the packages that you get priority are 100% free. The listing's 100% free, especially on Poshmark, and also on Mercari, which is what I'm gonna show you right here. I'll also drop that, me actually fulfilling this order, marking it as shipped, and printing out the postage on Mercari right now on the screen for you. And then basically what you do is you take a box. So if I wanted to ship this out priority, I would do that. Priority works better on Poshmark and sometimes on eBay, because you're getting the shipment there fast, so it's 2-3 days, and obviously you get the free packages and stuff. But it does cost a little bit more on eBay, you know, so, and on Mercari, so, you know, you might want to just ship other boxes like I have here from all my Amazon arbitrage boxes that show up. So I get this, you know, obviously free because I have it delivered to my house, and then I can ship it medium mail, which is what I'm gonna do right here for the post office, if you can actually see that. So that's what we're gonna do right here. So then basically what I do is really fast, I would just tape. And I also recommend just getting some high quality tape. You know, I got everything here. Get some fragile stickers if you have something fragile. Got your trusty tape measure. And basically what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna tape the box. You wanna take all the other labels, sorry if you couldn't hear that, off the box, and then you're just gonna throw the item in the box. Pretty simple. Bear with me for those of you that already know this. Then you're just gonna simply cut the label out, tape it on top of the box, and just like the priority mail, you're gonna drop it in one of those blue post office bins, because it's already paid for. Now, excuse me, a couple of things here. You can drop it off in the blue post office thing, or you can just walk it in. Some of them won't fit into the post office if they're like a box or a bigger box. But you know, you're gonna wanna ship priority with Poshmark, and Poshmark's a great app where I actually have averaged about, I think I'm a little bit over $7 grand year to date on Poshmark now. I don't make as much on Mercari because I literally just started my closet there. And I've scaled eBay down. I probably make 100 or 200 a month on eBay too, just listing other arbitrage products. But that's free money, because like we talked about, Amazon would just destroy those items anyway when you scale up and you're really making a shitload of money. So this is all free bonus money that I just do in my free time. I'll get a workout in, and in between my sets, I'm just listing a couple items here and there, and then boom, it sells, and I'm off back to my apartment to do work, you know, make videos like this usually, and it's really that simple. So it's just extra money, and that's basically how I make an extra $1,000 on top of the 5 to 10 grand that I make, obviously doing the Amazon arbitrage with, you know, other Amazon arbitrage products. Now you can obviously, if sometimes if you're on a coupon site and you see a product that is great, but you can't sell it back on Amazon, and that's the great part about the Amazon arbitrage is you can check that there's a market for that actual product. You can see the listing, you can see if it sells, you can see the profit margin, so that when you buy it from Amazon, you ship it back into Amazon, you know that it's gonna make you that profit margin. But sometimes you see a great profit margin on a product that you might find on a bulk deal site or a coupon site, but you can't sell it back on Amazon, even though the margin might be 20 bucks and you can get it for 20 cents. In that case, you can sell it on Mercari, eBay, like I said, Letgo, OfferUp, Poshmark. There's a number of them. I've heard Bonanza is good. Don't know anything about it, but I plan on looking into it. But that's basically how you can make an extra $1,000 on top of the arbitrage money. So if you guys take action, there is a shitload of money to be made. I'm not just saying this. Like I said, there's people in the comments that are saying, he doesn't actually do this, he just teaches you how to do this. Guys, I do this every single day. A lot of my consulting clients do this every single day. I just talked to somebody yesterday that was looking to scale all the way up to 9K by January, and they're well on their way to do it. There's a lot of people making a lot of money with this coupon method and this arbitrage method. Take the action, and you can be one of those people. Now, it does take the work, but you're boxing products up and you're sending them back into FBA. And guys, it might take you an hour or two a day. So if you want to hop into this, you want to learn the ins and outs of how you can make 5 to 10 grand right from your computer. It's super, super simple, and I've laid out an entire course that literally walks you step by step through it from A to Z, so that you can start sourcing products from your computer, schedule the pickups, and make the money like I am. So, first link in the description if you want to grab the Arbitrage Pro, first link in the description if you want to grab the online Arbitrage Pro course. Hope you guys like this video. If you have any other questions, I'm always looking for great content ideas. So like I said, if you have any other questions specifically on how to actually ship a product in like that person did, or anything, drop them in the comments section down below. I would love to answer them for you. And I'll see you in the next one.